CIET NCERT presents audiobook Bansuri, textbook of arts for grade 5.
Page number 101. Chapter 11. Music Around Me. On the top left corner is the image of Tanpura. Below the title is given the QR code which can be scanned for more related information of this chapter. You have explored music and sound in class and you have learnt many songs. Now, let's think about how music is a part of your everyday life. Activity 11.1a. Music Around Me chart. Make a chart of your daily activity. Mark all the places and times you encounter music and different sounds. An example is given on the right, although you can make it as creative as you wish. In the image on the right side of the page is given a table. This table is a chart of the sounds or music heard by us. In the first column is mentioned the time, place, event, the category, or how does that sound or music make us feel. In the second column is given the image of a clock with alarm blaring. The time of the alarm is 7 am. Next to it is a child sleeping in bed. The time is 7:15 am. Probably there is sound of music at the background. Place. Place for alarm sound is bed. Place for the music in the family is home. Event. Event for the clock is alarm. Event of the background music is prayers on the radio. Sound or music. The alarm is a sound. The prayers are music. How it makes me feel. The alarm makes one feel grumpy, while the music of prayers makes one feel calm. At the bottom right corner of the page is a girl sitting happily and calmly listening to music. Activity 11.1b. Share charts. Share your chart with a classmate and observe theirs. Where are they similar? Do you listen to music every day? Is there somewhere that you would like to have more music? Page number 102. At the bottom of the page is given an image wherein a child is sitting in a natural surrounding. He is sitting on the grass, river is flowing nearby, and there are trees behind. There are many animals surrounding him, like a deer, butterfly, birds, and rabbits. Wait, what is the child doing? He is recording the sound of these animals in his phone. Describing music. Here are some musical terms that help you better describe sounds and music. Pitch refers to whether the sound is high or low. Melody, the tune created by a pattern of notes. Rhythm, the beat and the pattern of sounds and silence in a song. Tempo, the speed of a piece of music, fast or slow, or beats per minute. Harmony, the sound created when two or more notes are played at the same time. Timbre, the quality of a particular sound and what makes one voice or instrument sound different from another. Dynamics refers to the volume and whether something is getting louder or softer. Activity 11.2. Recording sounds around. From your chart and the chart of your friend, look at how many times you find sound and music in your surroundings. If possible, record some of the sounds in your surroundings. Use some of the words you have learnt here to describe their qualities. Page number 103. Songs for themes. Here are two songs from different parts of India. Let us learn to sing them. Song, Flag Song. Composer Mahakavi Vallatol Narayan Menon. Language Malayalam. In the image on this page, a child is standing in Malayali attire in the garden and holding Indian flag and singing the flag song.
പോരാ പോരാ നാളിൽ നാളിൽ ദൂരെ ദൂരമുയരട്ടെ ഭാരതക്ഷ്മാദേവിയുടെ തൃപ്പതാകകൾ. പോരാ പോരാ നാളിൽ നാളിൽ ദൂരെ ദൂരമുയരട്ടെ ഭാരതക്ഷ്മാദേവിയുടെ തൃപ്പതാകകൾ. ആകാശപ്പൊയ്കയിൽ പുതുതാകും ആലയിളകട്ടെ ആകാശപ്പൊയ്കയിൽ പുതുതാകും ആലയിളകട്ടെ ലോകബന്ധുഗതിക്കുറ്റ മാർഗം കാട്ടട്ടെ മാർഗം കാട്ടട്ടെ. ഏകീഭവിച്ചൊരുങ്ങുകിൽ ഏകോദര ജാതർ നമ്മൾ ഏകീഭവിച്ചൊരുങ്ങുകിൽ ഏകോദര ജാതർ നമ്മൾ കൈ കഴുകി തുടയ്ക്കുകിൽ കോടിയെടുക്കാൻ കൈ കഴുകി തുടയ്ക്കുകിൽ കോടിയെടുക്കാൻ. നമ്മൾ നൂറ്റ നൂൽ കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ നെയ്ത വസ്ത്രം കൊണ്ട് നിർമ്മിതമീയ നീതിക്കൊരു അന്ത്യാവരണം അന്ത്യാവരണം. കൃത്യസ്ഥരാ നമ്മുടെ ഈ നിത്യസ്വതന്ത്രതാധാര കൃത്യസ്ഥരാം നമ്മുടെ ഈ നിത്യസ്വതന്ത്രതാധാര സത്യക്കോടി മരത്തിങ്കൽ സംശോഭിക്കട്ടെ സത്യക്കോടി മരത്തിങ്കൽ സംശോഭിക്കട്ടെ. Song summary. Pora Pora describes a flag. In this song, Vallathol expresses his desire for the national flag to keep rising higher. Vallathol was a patriot and wrote many nationalistic poems that inspired thousands of Indians to join the freedom struggle of India.
Page number 104. Song Chamba Kitni Dur. Traditional. Language Himachali. In the image on this page, a man and a woman are standing in the hills and they are singing the song. The song goes like this. माए नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर है चंबा कितनी दूर. माए नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर. शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना चंबे जाना ज़रूर है चंबे जाना ज़रूर. माए नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर. लाइया मुहब्बता दूर दराजे लाइया मुहब्बता दूर दराजे अखियाँ तो होया कसूर है अखियाँ तो होया कसूर. चंबे जाना ज़रूर है चंबे जाना ज़रूर. माए नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर. Song summary. This is a Pahadi folk song from Himachal Pradesh on the topic of nature and love. Page number 105. Assessment. Chapter 11. Music Around Me. The given table mentions the competencies and the aligned learning outcomes and also gives the space for assessment by teacher and self. Competency 4.1 Learning Outcome describes music using terminologies like pitch, tempo, and volume. Competency 2.2 Learning Outcome understands the themes and moods of different songs. Competency 2.1 Learning Outcome practices and performs different songs individually and in a group. All the learning outcomes to be assessed by teacher and self. Teacher's observations to be recorded in the space given. Other comments also to be mentioned in the space given. Chapter 11 ends here.
Bansuri, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 5. Narration, Tripti Upadhyay. Malayalam song by Darshana B.G. Sound recordist, Virendra Rawat. Assistance in production, Chetna Sharma. Produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.